This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Please, my lords. My lords, these are the West Bengal SIR matters. There are many of them before your lordships today, my lords. My lords, now about 7 lakh, the learned JOs have processed about 7 lakh cases, my lords. And
I know that, Dr. Menka, that you people will run away the moment we will appoint judicial officers. And that is what the game now starts.
no, my lords, not at all. We think
Today, suddenly you are filing
job.
this repetition. 7 lakhs, this and that are left.
They have adjudicated. They have adjudicated 7 lakhs. They are totally under adjudication is 63 lakhs. So what remains right now is about 57 odd lakhs. Now,
Not 67 or lakh.
57.
52 lakhs something, but total 7 lakhs.
6. 60 lakhs.
I don't date this absolutely premature petition. Chief Justice is informing us today only. He has morning informed us more than 10 lakh have been done.
My lords,
200 more officers from the other states they have joined. There are some issues which the Election Commission has created, which we will deal with them separately. But as far as you people are concerned, wait and watch.
my lords, this is dated 7th March, my lords.
Now 7th March is
The High
gone.
Court. This
Today
is the High Court. 7 lakhs.
we are also
Lakhs.
very nice.
Roughly about 50 lakhs remain, therefore, my lords. Out of 60, roughly about 50 lakhs remain. And so that will take some time. Now, all I'm suggesting
Don't
is,
file advance petition. This sends a wrong signal that you people now don't have faith in the system.
no, your lordships are speaking
No,
of
other
the map
petition.
petition.
This writ petition we can't read in isolation.
Your lordships
That's
are,
how the petitioners are there to file that application. We are going to put them in task.
your lordships are talking about yesterday's mentioned petition.
No, yesterday there is an application in the main case where we passed the order. That shows that you people are now
No, my lords, I respectfully, my lords, this is not,
anybody daring to question the judicial officers will
We are-
not accept that.
My lords, I am
as
sure-
Chief Justice of India, this is my duty
No,
to
my
protect the
lords,
judiciary.
sure, we
I
are
will
not-
not allow anybody, and I know what has happened.
we are not questioning, my lords.
No, there are questioning you do not know, madam.
Think anyone here has filed any of
I am
this?
not sharing, I will not share in the open court what has happened. But I am just issuing a stern warning.
Yes.
Everybody, this side and this side both.
Because the JO shouldn't be
I
questioned.
am not going to tolerate anything.
Not acceptable. Not acceptable to question them. We have not filed any petition, have we? Any of our 6 petitions? Shocking to question the JOs.
So, when the country is there.
Absolutely, my lords. My lords, I have also appeared before that Chief Justice when he was Chief of Telangana. He's a learned judge, my lords. He's a learned judge.
Good administrator.
Yes, my lords.
Very, very good administrator.
And it was a real honor to appear before him. But my lords, we have not, categorically I'm saying, we are not questioning the JOs.
Because the
Not our
legislative
application.
officers do not know the story.
My lords,
And-
I have
and-
limited,
and-
my lords, that is correct, my lords. I have limited on this. I'm only on the petitions and the briefs. Please allow me a chance to just make 2 submissions.
No, this is absolutely premature. You want us to dismiss it?
No, I'm not on that, my lords. I'm not on that application at all. I don't know who has filed that application. Does anyone
not
know
filed.
who has filed? We have not filed
We
it.
have not filed it.
We have, the JOs are not being questioned.
The petitioner has filed. So petitioner has filed.
Which, my lords, there are many petitions. Some of them are private parties. We don't know who these petitioners are. I can categorically say that.
Yeah.
Now, I am only on one thing, my lords. The JOs now have about 50 lakh cases broadly to process. Of these, 47 lakhs are mapped. They were on the 2002.
Suppose these 5 petitions before us, if their matters are scrutinized by the judicial officers, they don't have any cause of action,
No.
right?
My lords, they are mapped.
They are not representative on behalf of everyone. We will not entertain any PIL because it is not a public interest.
Those are specific petitions. Those are specific petitions, but they speak to a larger story, which is that there are roughly 48 lakh mapped voters who are under adjudication. They are mapped. Why do we say they are mapped? Justice Mahadevan has just joined this bench, my lords. We say they are mapped because they were on the 2002 SIR roll. They have voted in consecutive elections, including the last parliamentary election.
That's why SIR. That is why SIR.
No, my lords. And no, my lords, these are genuine bona fide voters. Now, the lordships in
Our
2,
officers are there on the job. Those who are genuine bona fide voters, they will include them. Those who are found to be intruders, unauthorized.
yes, but the exercise, my lord, has to be completed for that.
That exercise judicial officers are doing, how can we comment?
No, the
here on-
exercise of adjudication of 50 lakh, of which 48 lakhs are mapped, has to be completed. So my suggestion, if your lordships will, my lords, my suggestion is this.
Dr. Menka.
Yes, my lords.
Point is very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
48 according to your lab. Our officers are doing it. Assuming on the law, what the law says, your statutory provision.
Yes.
A day before voting, till a day before voting, if the cloud on the right of a voter has been cleared, he will be entitled to cast.
My lords, but your lordships in 2 judgments, 5 judgments, please allow me only 30 seconds, my lord, please. In 2 5-judge bench decisions, your lordships have categorically said, please hand over. Please hand over.
But our order is very
Categorically
clear.
said, if the intensive role exercise is not complete by those undertaking it, then you have to rely on the last role, which is an effective role.
That's why you are not, I'm trying to say something which you are not appreciating.
My lords, I bow down by my
Till
mistake, my
the
lords.
last day before the voting,
Yes,
this exercise will continue.
yes,
If the officers are out of these 48 lakhs, assuming hypothetically, if they are able to scan, we are using your scanning of 40 lakhs, the cause of action for 40 lakh disappears. Only 8 lakh will be left. Then only question of deciding their fate will arise. We will consider that at that appropriate stage.
Lord,
my lords. What is the Give it to
it's last. After.
Gina, have you given? Give the response. Ma'am? Hand over this one. Hand over Lakshmi Permission. Hand it. No stand right.
Advance booking.
Lord, only 2 points. Lord, only 2 points.
You to paragraph 17 of this
Not
constitution.
anything, madam.
Lord, only 2 points.
My lords.
My lord, only 2
There is-
points. Yes.
there is a
My lord,
statutory-
your lordship's order was there that is subsequently. My lord, kindly.
You want an order? We are just handing over the order.
My lord, kindly.
Give me the last order we passed.
My lord, kindly come, see your lordship's last order
Yep.
on 24th February 2026. Kindly see, my lord. Kindly see 24th February 2026 order.
Are you appearing for the petition in that case?
Yes, yes.
Have you filed that application?
No, I have not filed any application.
Then we will issue contempt notice.
My lord, I have not filed any applications.
My lords, we don't.
We have not filed.
Yes, we
have not
don't
filed
know
any
what this
applications.
is.
Who has filed the applications? We do not know.
We must
No, we do not know, my lord.
respond in the language they want.
My lords, please don't penalize all these map voters, my lords. They are not involved in this. We don't know what this IA is.
If we wanted to penalize, we wouldn't have gone into this enormous exercise, unleashing so many judicial officers from their
Yes.
primary duty of adjudication.
Yes. And
And also dragging in officers from neighboring states.
no, and their task is enormous, and that it's an exemplary what they've done.
You are arguing there is a clear distinguishing fact that a final list pursuant to the SIR exercise has already been published. And taking into account the fact that there is some cloud on the final list, what we have said is the proviso to section 23 perhaps will not come to your aid, but we will come to your aid by exercise of Article 142 jurisdiction and permit a complete add-ons.
Yes, it's backdated to 28-2.
Yes.
Your lordship's order says this.
Included in the final.
My lords, but the exercise may not be completed in time for the election.
We will take
That is the
call,
problem.
We will take the call and the stock as it comes.
Because as on this speed, my lords,
written what?
yes, as on this speed, that is all we're saying.
My lord, kindly see
That
your
is all we're saying.
24th February 2026 order. My lord, your lordships have said, my lord, that the last date of publication of the final electoral roll is 28th February 2026. However, that being said, if the verification exercise
That is
undertaken.
why we were conscious of this.
Yes, my
That's
lord,
why we have planned.
kindly see, my lord. I am on different point, my lord. logical discrepancy, unmarked category remains incomplete. The ECI may publish the final list followed by supplements to the final list. Such supplement list shall be on a continuous basis. What is the anxiety I am telling you? It is not that the 7 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 12 lakhs. Anxiety is this. These cases where this will have subsequently, which has been, that will have subsequent supplementary list should be published. No, it has not been published, Milord. Milord,
It will have to be published.
Milord, that has, yes, Milord, that directions, that when the things have been decided, whatever is there, I am not on that. They'll let them supplementary list should be published. Number one, Milord. Number two, suppose let's assume my case has been rejected. So I must know the reason because I have to prepare an appeal. What they are saying, my lord.
Question of any appeal before the collector. You will not allow every day we have been telling.
I am not, Lord. I am a concerned person.
We don't have-
Let's assume.
we don't have orders.
Let's assume that my name has been deleted.
You have a remedy, you will go. But
That's right, my lord. Exactly. Then unless the
that
reason,
remedy does not mean that.
my lord, kindly appreciate this. Unless
the
the
judicial officer has found prima facie that you are not entitled to cast vote, you will not.
But
no, that case, in that case, no appeal also should be appeal lie against the CEO even. What the directions are there? Kindly appreciate this. When the directions is there.
Question of appreciation today. Why are you filing
Well,
this application? That shows that you want to.
I have not filed any applications, my lord. Your lordships kindly see. No applications has been filed by us.
IA number 72504 is asking for the same relief which Dr. Menka is asking for the relief.
Oh, that is
And
the
that was the
application.
expedition where we passed the order earlier.
Well, that-
We were conscious of this fact. That's why he said 28th is your statutory date. You will publish a list on that day. And after that, this exercise will continue. As soon as whatever you complete 500, you publish 500. You complete 5 lakh, you publish 5 lakh. They are continuous process.
Well, therefore, I am submitting, what I am submitting, two things. 10 lakhs have been disposed of according to the Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court. 10 lakhs cases can be, the supplementary list can be published.
Therefore, what prevents you to approach the Chief Justice has sent this letter today in the morning. He said he is doing everything upon the ECI so and so. He said this was he said all orders and updates have been disseminated in real time by the High Court's office, Telegram group and so and he said with consultation with all stakeholders.
Correct.
So why can't you tell that the 10 lakh is complete now, fully publish the list?
But we have said so.
When you said so,
We wrote to the ECI.
don't say so.
And, well,
You want to say no. Now stop. The application has gone to the extent. Look at the prayer. Direct the ECI to withdraw all additional cases for review that have been given to the judicial officer. This is the prayer you are making. Completely in teeth of the order which we passed.
Manoj, can I make a submission?
Look,
Because I don't want it to be adversarial.
Kindly,
Let's just complete this. Just 1 minute.
I'll just one. We want, exactly we want two things, Milord. Three things. One, supplementary list should be published. If your lordships desire that we should approach the Honorable Chief Justice Calcutta High Court, we don't have difficulties. We want to know the reasons for rejection. If your lordships direct to approach the Chief Justice, we don't have any objection. Number three, if your lordships desire that no appeal should lie against the judicial officer, then the direction of the CEO that the appeal should be entertained by the CEO is also not be there, Milord. These are the three submissions. Kindly consider this.
Appeal by
Milord, the CEO has passed an order to directing the DRO and AEO that all appeals, if arises on the ground of rejection, should be marked to the CEO. CEO will hear the appeal. Lord, if the judicial officer's order, if the lordship's desire is that no one should entertain, my lord, kindly see this one. No one should entertain, kindly see.
no, it's all right. So the question is that, all right, if we don't provide, if the system does not provide you a right to appeal to an individual, you will say our right to appeal has been deprived. So somewhere the appeal will
Correct.
go.
There has to be an.
No.
There has to be an
Penalty that we can request.
There must be an appeal.
There must be an
There must be an appeal. Then in that case,
Then in that case, we can request the High Court to entertain the appeal.
Very nice.
227.
Yeah, very nice. We don't have any difficulty. We don't have any difficulty.
A practical issue. It's only fair to say because the judicial officers have been taking a huge burden. Well, because it's fantastic what they've been doing. I think it's an extremely difficult task. This 10 lakh, I don't know what the breakup is because that's been communicated to your lordships. We don't have that. But the previous breakup of whatever 7 lakh odd which they had disposed of, nearly 3 lakh 4,000 were rejections. So appeals from that, if your lordships were to suggest that it goes under 226 to High Court, that's also a massive burden. I think it's only fair for us to tell you. So if there is any alternative, your lordship may contemplate because your order of 24. Yes.
Alternate can be, Mr. Gopal.
Yes.
That we request a constituted tribunal of former judges.
From former judges may be the best.
Judges, my lord.
Retired judges may be the best.
Retired judges.
As my lords indicate, minutes.
We can
Which are
request
way-
one former chief justice.
Yes.
2 former judges.
Yes.
or
About-
4 or 3
Great.
former-
Yes, great. We are great.
I suggest-
We are great.
Very
We are
great.
great.
Can have grievances at both ends.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
With
Very
regard to
great.
inclusions, with regard to exclusions. Now, we are exercising extraordinary jurisdiction, getting the
Precisely.
decisions taken. As of now, the decisions, even under Rule 26, the appeal does not amount to stay of the order.
Correct.
So we
Yes.
keep that tenor in mind
Correct.
when the final list and the supplementary list are prepared. So
Yes.
anyone who is rejected as of now is excluded. Anyone who is included as of now is included, subject to their right in future.
Yes.
Because this is a vital constitutional right, we should be very, very careful with regard to denial of such right.
Yes.
Or illegal inclusion of such persons who are not deserving.
Doesn't go with.
So keeping that open, let the supplementary lists be published.
Correct.
As and when the clearances are being.
Yes.
Grateful.
Yes,
Very
In
grateful.
the clearances.
Entirely minutes.
And that is the clearest from the office of
This is
former
best
chief justice.
post.
Yes.
This is
Supplementary.
this is all right. This is
Let us say,
So grateful.
because till now the notification has not come out for the dates of elections. Once that comes up and we see the degree of progress, then we can take the call. Then we'll take the call, what is the quantum of numbers which have not been. But our request to both of you, please ensure smooth discharge of duty by the judiciary.
That's absolutely a humongous task being undertaken by the judicial officers. It's been going on, and the problem is with the misinformation. It's been just said without sending any copy to us that CEO has issued a direction. No such direction. No such direction.
The submissions at the bar.
We have been in your lordship's hands. Whatever has been directed, we are implementing.
You are not here, a stage has come where we are doubting both sides.
Minutes.
That we can't.
I apologize with great respect, Millet. Any issue, I'll clarify to your lordship said.
Doubting the bona fides of both sides.
Millet.
Please read this communication I have received in the morning. You read the last, first page, last line. Do you want any some intervention by us? And of course, now petitioner are not record because they want to wriggle out of this scrutiny by judicial officers.
Bullet point 3 and 4, Mr. Naidu. Bullet point 3 and 4. Please help the entire smooth discharge of duties.
I will take it up, Millet.
This is
It will be a technical snag when it comes to login ID.
This is
We
our
will.
request to you as an
Millet,
officer of this court.
more than anybody else, we are worried. Because we are running against the time.
Not as a representative of a litigant, but as an officer of this
Indeed,
court.
Millet.
Because these
Whatever that is there-
officers are acting as our special.
It's a technicality, Millet. Immediately we'll address this. Millet, immediately we'll address this.
Please do.
when it comes to the login.
So that there is a seamless.
Yes, Millet.
And the process shouldn't in any way hold up the elections when it's to be happen.
Yes, yes.
Elections will go on when it has to happen.
Amanda, you withdraw this process.
We will extend smoothly.
I'm not sure which petition this is, Malaj. I don't know what this is.
I think your lordships are talking about Dola Sen, which is the lead matter.
No, separate petition.
Fresh one is good.
We do not know, Milord. We do not know.
Bilkis Tarafdar. This is
Very well.
WP
Bilkis Tarafdar,
304. 304. Item 40.
With
The
liberty.
individuals
Coming up.
coming up.
Milord.
So remedies are clearly.
Yes, Milord. Yes. Milord, can I just subject to your
Custom that dismiss or withdrawn with liberty to firstly avail the alternative remedy which is being provided by way of a separate order of even date.
Grateful. Very grateful with that, Malaj.
Here number, now item 42 is Dola Sen matter.
Dola Sen.
Petition 1074, IA number 72504-226, dismissed. No ground to entertain this application made out, dismissed. Now, see, in the main case. So in continuation of the order dated 24th February 2026, Please pass on that.
Yeah, just unit.
Honorable Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta, through his latest communication dated 10th March 2026, has informed that 10,16,000 plus objections have been disposed of till the evening of 9/3/2026. He has further informed that 500 plus judicial officers from West Bengal, duly supplemented by 200 officers from Odisha and Jharkhand, have been deployed and are working day and night. The communication informs that till 8th March 2026, 709 blogging IDs have been created for smooth mobilization and redeployment of judicial officers in some of the sensitive districts. However, the judicial officers, Honorable the Chief Justice, have experienced an urgent difficulty which seems to have been created due to some mistake at the hands of at the level of the Election Commission of India. The same has been brought to notice of Sri Naidu and Senior Counsel representing Election Commission of India, who assures that the same shall be rectified within immediately without any delay. So we strongly recommend to the Election Commission of India to ensure that to provide full logistic support to the High Court at Calcutta and all the judicial officers in completion of the responsibilities which we have assigned to them through our order date, including prompt login IDs.
We will, without hesitation.
So that there is an optimum utilization of the services of the judicial officers
100 officers are waiting one day.
to whom the task
We'll
has
address
been
that
entrusted.
immediately.
The report informs that repeated video conferences are being held with district judges conducted and they have been duly sensitized about the importance of this exercise. Necessary directions have also been issued to judicial officers. Semicolon, their leave have been cancelled and the judicial officers are working on holidays also, including on Sunday. What more sacrifice we could expect from our officers? And I myself experienced it while traveling during my transit phase. Nobody wants them to this much with dedication they are working.
No, but then the public will not notice all this when they criticize judicial officers or judiciary. The amount of burning the candle at both ends.
Chief Justice has further informed that training sessions have been organized through video conferencing on several occasions, and officers from Odisha and Jharkhand have also been given training through video conferencing. Next paragraph. State government has been directed to provide security, conveyance and accommodation to every deployed officer throughout this exercise. We are quite sure that as an abundant precaution, direct the state government that all necessary facilities shall be provided to the officers for their smooth functioning. Next paragraph. The Honorable Chief Justice has further informed that all orders and updates have been disseminated in real time via the High Court's official Telegram group and email across all districts simultaneously. Next paragraph. Adverting to the issues flagged by Honorable Chief Justice and which are required to be addressed, we deem it appropriate to issue the following directions. The Election Commission of India will ensure that no mandatory tab, etc., which might cause disruption in the process is introduced unless approved by Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta. the portal's technical issues causing disruptions prior to 7th March 2026 will be effectively addressed, ensuring that no such disruption takes place. Next paragraph. New login IDs will be created as and when required by the judicial officers promptly and without wasting any time. Next paragraph. During the course of hearing, the senior counsel on behalf of the petitioners have pointed out two important issues. One, the mechanism of appeal by those persons whose claim for inclusion in voter list have been rejected by the judicial officers. And second, the publication of the supplementary list, particularly when more than 10,16,000 objections have already been disposed of. So, as regard to the first issue, namely provision of appeal, our order dated 24th February 2026, my no uncertain terms points out that the orders passed by the judicial officers will not be subjected to appeal before any executive stroke administrative court. And that being so, and what has transpired during the course of hearing is that the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta may request some former Chief Justice and 2-3 former judges of the High Court who are preferably of High Court at Calcutta or of the neighboring states, who shall be notified as the appellate tribunal. The Election Commission of India will issue a notification in consultation with Chief Justice of Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta, notifying the former Chief Justice of judges in bracket or judges alone if no former or Chief Justice is willing to accept such assignment as the appellate tribunal. Next program.
So they can sit singly
Both
there.
sides shall be at liberty to approach Honorable the Chief Justice of the High Court for the purpose of publication of the supplementary list of the persons whose objections already stand disposed of. Once the Chief Justice of the High Court make recommendations to this effect, the Election Tribunal of India shall do the needful immediately.
Well, it's given the workload, more than one tribunal may be required.
That's why
Let's say tribunal/tribunal.
one tribunal is not sufficient.
It is possible, 3/4 tribunals.
Yes, in consultation,
Benches.
any number of benches.
Benches.
As much judges as may be required.
That's it.
from- We leave it to the,
In consultation, it can be decided,
we leave it to the judge.
given the workload.
Sit in a single judges.
Absolutely. Judicial officers, if we see your
Absolutely.
this is wonderful, honorarium, and we are doing it.
Request on the Chief Justice of High Court at Calcutta to fix the honorarium payable to the former Chief Justices, so judges who graciously accept the responsibility referred to above. So such honorarium and other facilities may be fixed in consultation with the Election Commission of India, as the entire expenditure shall be borne by the Election Commission of India.
In your last order, your lordships have said the travel, boarding, honorarium and other incidental expenses such officer shall be borne. So if you use the same phraseology, I don't want it to be restricted to only honorarium. Let it be everything, Manoj. If some high court judge is a faraway district and he has to come, then all of that should be taken care of.
Shall we, what we, Baki President, similarly, we request the Honorable Chief Justice to fix honorarium, honorarium,
Travel, boarding, incidental.
overtime, pay. For the judicial, for the servants of judicial, former judicial officers also, including TAD, etc., especially when some of them, once more than 200 such officers have been brought from the neighboring states, from the neighboring states. So, the recommendation made by Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta in this regard shall be final and shall be implemented without any delay.
Great.
Without any delay. Post these matters for further consideration on so and so.
And the second issue on publication of
the supplementary.
Given the elections, Chief Justice will recommend to the Election Commission of publication of supplement.
No, your lordships have already said so in the last order. If I can just read that sentence, the last line of the last order says, such supplements shall be published on a continuous basis. As soon as the pending exercise is
Those have not been
complete.
done.
So those, each increment, they need to publish so people know, my lords. It's not one way.
I already reiterated it in this order, now affixing the recommendatory authority.
It's already, very well. I'm sorry, I must have.
Only one request, madam. The reason
will come in tranches.
given by them, there is
Tranches.
non-inclusion of findings. Reason for deletion, madam. On what ground I will prefer the action?
So on appeal-
They should give the reasons for non-inclusion of, for deletion of my, anybody's name, kindly.
Is it-
Otherwise, for deletion, for if all these adjudication cases, let's assume for the time being, 10 lakhs out of 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs have been directed to be deleted, correct? Reasons for that formation of mind, reason for deletion.
How can we pass it? Not as of now. Definitely the ground that you will tell him.
Correct. That is correct. That is correct.
Most grateful, my lords.
Great.
Most grateful.
हो गया आगे काज कंप्लीट.
Proposes, since the exercise is Herculean, to add on to another field of remark reason may delay the entire process. So once there is a rejection and someone is aggrieved, the reason will be immediately provided to the.
That's always enough.
We are doing.
That's enough. That's enough.
Grateful.
Great.
That is enough.
Grateful, very grateful.
Grateful.
Deeply obliged to.
Grateful, my lords.
Deeply obliged.
My lords, no more West Bengal matters today, my lords.
No. West Bengal matters, not the election SIR matters. West Bengal, there are
Speaking
other
for
matters.
myself, I always love a West Bengal match.
We try and bring something more.
Thanks to Dr. Lanka yesterday also and today also.
And,
At least I get to be in your lordship's court then.